sometimes they recognize it as Tagabili. That is our history. Traditionally, when our town is created, na-discover kami through dancing. When the late President Marcos recognized our tribe, yung dinala ng mga leaders namin noon at ang missionaries, yung mga dancer namin doon sa Malacanang. And that's the time they recognized that there is one unique tribe in the islands of Mindanao, until they come up with the town which named after the tribe, the Tiboli municipality. This point of time, then Tiboli is kilala na, not only in the entire province, not only in the regional level, but the whole Philippines and the world, no? Because of the existing of our spots like Lake Colon, wherein it is recognized as one of the 100 sustainable green destination in the whole world, yung Lake Colon. There's some cultural practices and tradition which need to be, shall we say, yung mga millennial tao din should be deleted. But before we enter into that education program, sinik muna namin talaga yung cultural practices namin which hindi na pwede sa mga generation, like early marriage, tapos yung mga heinous crime, mga rape cases, gano'n. Pinag-uusapan na yun sa time doon, which is sa term ko, binawal namin yung lahat. So, all the tribe, ito muli request na support pagdating doon sa mga changes konti. Kasi talagang may mga cultural practices talaga na hindi na talagang pwede na dalhin up to now.
Mabuhay, Pilapos, Ako, Mary Jane Ikan, Lamot, Bessie Chupule, Barangay Salamati, na Ako, Yang Kui, receptionist, Benibe, Gonoka. Every may mga event yung Taboli, nagsusuot ko kami nito. Hindi pwedeng wala kaming nasusunod. Yan po na, ganyan namin na preserve yung aming damit or yung attire po namin as Taboli. Kasi para po sa amin, hindi ka totoong Taboli pag wala kami shoes. Para makumpleto yung attire, kailangan meron ka nito. Then, ang ibig sabihin kasi nitong kinikilig, pag meron ka daw suot nito, parang ako sa'yo yung bad spirit. Ganyan. Tapos yung malong dapat, pag sinuot mo, dapat nakatago yung buong paa. Ang pinakamalaking challenges ngayon, pinakaharap ng body or ng tribunal, like discrimination. Hindi nakapag-aral, hindi nakapag-tapos ng pag-aaral. Mahirap yung tribunal to body. Same lang tayo, pareho tayo. Ang kaibahan lang is taboli kami, tao bulol kami, but kung anong kinakain yun din ang kinakain natin. Same lang tayo. Ang taboli ngayon ay bumabangon ng bumabangon. So kung anong hindi namin nagawa noon, nagagawa po namin sa generation namin. Spread love and respect po. Hindi. Bongs namin.
What message do you have for Filipinos about the importance of indigenous heritage and its role in our national identity?
kami naman mga tribo is not, di naman kami masyado kulang sa pansin, sabihin natin. But if you go back to the history, makikita mo dyan, lahat naman talaga nag-uumpisa sa tribo. Sometimes they call us indigenous people, sometimes they call us lumad, sometimes they call us Highlander, kung ano-ano na lang tawag sa amin. But, ganun yun, tanggap na namin yun. But then again, let me remind you, before anything else, the tribe will exist. Why? Because the tribe floats with the rivers. We grow with the trees. We sprang like a mushroom on this island. That's why we are ahead of anything. Maraming salamat.
Beyond their artistry, the Tiboli people exemplify harmony with nature.
Their deep respect for the land, lakes, and forests of South Cotabato reflects their belief that humans are caretakers of the earth, not just its inhabitants.
They live with wisdom, honoring traditions while adapting to the present, providing that true progress does not mean abandoning one's root.
Their way of life teaches us that success is not just measured by material wealth, but by the richness of our culture, the depth of our connections, and the legacy we leave behind.
May we all find inspiration in the Tiboli embracing our unique identities, nurturing our creativity, and weaving our own dreams into reality with patience, passion, and purpose.
Like that, may we walk through life with grace, honoring where we come from, and shaping a future that respects both tradition and innovation. Salamat. Buong salamat.